Hi there, I'm Chrissie with Chrissie's Divine Design Tarot, and today we are doing a weekly reading for Aries. Oh yeah! Alright, what do we have for Aries Spirit? Please help me see all the messages for Aries clearly. Okay, I'm not taking all of those. But what did we have? Ooh. Someone has a crush on you. Aries. Be patient with yourself and others, okay? Balance life, harmony, and peace, love, and joy. Nice. Go for a walk today. Oh. Divine karma. Ooh. Integrity. Divine karma. Somebody's getting it. Let's see. Can I get some more messages? Thank you, Spirit, for Aries. So let's create reality. Basic needs are met. You can do this, okay? And have boundaries. Alright, so be patient with yourself. There's some divine karma coming here. And have boundaries. So, okay, wisdom, empathic energy reader. So it could be that you are an empath and you are picking up on other people's energy and being able to read it. So, rising up, ascension, high vibe, fun, and freedom. I like that for you. So it looks like there's some ascension coming for you. Let's see. Ooh. Opportunity is coming. Nice. I like that. Bare feet in the grass. Nice. Maybe it's time to stick your feet in the grass. You need to be connecting with Earth. Venus, happiness, grace, love, magnetism, and pleasure. Alright. I like that. Now let's just look at the bottom of the deck. What do we have? Have self-control, have faith, okay? Let's do some tarot here. I hope everybody had a wonderful Easter. It was beautiful today. The sun was out. It was like 20 degrees. It was pretty wow. Alright, I just saw the death card, so it could be a death of something or a rebirth. Okay? Let's see, what do we have for spirit? Or for Aries spirit. Alright, what do we have for Aries? Some air sign here. King of Swords. Okay. What else? Queen of Cups. And the Empress. Two ladies here. Or it could be two males coming up as their feminine side too, right? It looks like there's somebody strategizing here. Waiting for something. Some judgment. Oh, the Hermit is here. So there could be some inner work being done, looking at your shadow side possibly. Oh, we have the Two of Cups here, Seven of Cups, and Six of Swords. There's a judgment call here, and I need to do some shining of that lantern to see what you're missing or what you're not seeing, possibly, about yourself or someone else. But you have two women here, or the Empress and the Queen of Cups, and the King of Swords is here. So there's one too many people here. So obviously there's a union here with options, and it's possible, Aries, that you walk away from this because there's too many people involved. Okay? Somebody might be interfering here, and somebody's going to end up getting that divine karma. Yeah, Two of Pentacles, juggling. So it's possible that the King of Swords has more than one person and is juggling, or the Queen of Cups is juggling with an Empress, or I feel that I mean, you could be the Empress here, Aries, and it could be that your partner is stepping out on you, possibly, and they're strategizing, they're making a judgment call, and possibly isolating. Could be that you're just staying away from everybody and looking at what you might want for your life, okay? But there is a union, and in this union there are options, okay? And if it is a union, there shouldn't be other options going on here, okay? So, if it's a loving union, that kind of like, you know, if it's a, that type of union, you know. Aries, you walk away from this though. Well, you sail away, or you row, whatever. Let's see here. No, I don't want to do the Kipper. I want to do clarification. Here, let's do this one. Let's clarify the King of Swords here. Knight of Pentacles, slow and steady runs the race. Possible an offer to either the Queen of Cups or an Empress. Maybe you have a choice between two, or maybe you are getting juggled on here because of the Two of Pentacles. It could be that you have to be flexible, or you have to adjust, maybe. Able to balance work and life, or love and work. It says to have strength when it comes to the Queen of Cups, or courage. What's the Empress about? Oh, looks like the Empress is single. She walked away from heartbreak, or you did, if you are the Empress, Aries. Okay. Maybe your Empress is single and had to walk away from somebody. Could be you. You could be the Empress. You could be the King or the Queen of Cups, I mean, and need to have strength or courage about the Empress. You have a strategy. You want to take a leap of faith. The Queen of Wands. Somebody strategized and took a leap of faith with the Queen of Wands. I don't feel that you are the or I don't feel that your person is the Empress. I think you are the Empress, or someone else is the Empress that you're thinking about, that you're moving to, or heading off to sea, possibly. Judgment has to do with the Wheel of Fortune. Maybe the fortune is turning in your favor. What's the Hermit? Oh. It's possible you've been isolated, and now it's time to, it looks like maybe you're heading off passionately, not passionately, it's the Knight of Swords, quickly and impulsively, and you're just gonna go for it. I don't know what you're going for. See, this Two of Cups, you either left them out in the cold or they left you out in the cold, Aries. What's the Seven of Cups? What's the Seven of Cups? Temperance. Okay, so although you have options, Aries, Spirit wants you to be patient. Someone is coming towards you, possibly, or you are going to someone else. Yeah, it's a judgment call, and it's about planning or waiting for your ships to come in, and maybe this is your ship coming in. Maybe this person is coming towards you. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. Yeah, I think you're going to cut out anyone that is of no good to you, like is no longer in your best interest, who isn't on your side or who isn't there for you, okay? You're going to cut out anyone that isn't for you, okay? All right? So that isn't for your highest good, okay? So have self-control and have faith, okay? Possibly, when I think of this have self-control and have faith, I think of maybe somebody trying to push your buttons and get you to freak out or something. Yeah, maybe that's where that temperance comes in. Although you'll have a lot of options, or a lot of people maybe want to be with you, it's saying that there's divine timing coming. I feel there is somebody coming your way, and you'll use your judgment. It'll be a judgment call on whether this person is the right person for you. What are the messages from this Empress? When you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and memories you have shared with those you love. Okay. So what does the... Well, that could be you too. So what does your person want to say? Who are you waiting for? What does this person want to tell you? Friendship. Nurturing the bonds of friendship within your relationship and your love life will dramatically improve. Nice. So you might end up just being friends with this person to start with, okay? New beginning. A new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. I like that for you, Aries. So even though there's been turbulence in your past here, or possibly maybe you're going through it now, or it's a possibility in the near future, you might end up walking away from somebody, because you might end up finding out some news that they're stepping out on you. A message for you. I'm thinking of you at this very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. Oh, that's so sweet. And this is from your person. Now, whether you want to take a leap of faith with this Queen of Wands, or if you want to have a new beginning, your new beginning is on your Empress. Okay, And yeah, let's look at the, Wheel of Fortune and Judgment call. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. My candle just went out. Wow. Holy. What's the Hermit then? Can you tell me some more? Power. You instinctively know what is right for you, and you have the power to say no or to walk away at any time. Wow. Sexual union. Woohoo! Honor the place in one another where you are one eternal soul. For there you will find true bliss. Wow. I have a feeling this new soulmate of yours, once you get past the friendship stage and you decide what you want to do, whether you want to say no or walk away, or if they're the right person for you, you're going to know. Sexual union. Honor the place in one another where you're one eternal soul. Wow. So that's more, wow, where you become one. I mean, that's pretty explicit. That's pretty, I think it says it all, right? Wow. Okay. Let's not take all of the ones we have here, but we will take the ones that did flip over, and it ends up being just perfect. Reflection. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. Divine timing, I feel, is here when it comes to whoever you're meant to be with. I think you already know this. I don't know why I feel that. Emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, okay? But they can also distort your perception and even cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. So possibly you have resentment for your past person, possibly. And be careful not to bring that with you. Leave your baggage behind, right? When you go into your new union, it's possible the two of you are meant to heal one another, because it looks like you both went through it. Unless this is you here as the Empress. Yeah. I think there's some truth that needs to be told here, though. And you got 3 other people here other than yourself. So, and you're going to cut out all those people that no longer serve you. Okay? Yeah, because you're not happy. Queen of Pentacles that you want to maybe give your love to. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, you're not happy. You might be well off. Yeah, there's no love here. And you're being juggled. I don't know if you married this person, or maybe you are married to someone. Or you plan to marry someone. Maybe this is your new beginning. Because once you marry this person, or maybe you don't get married. Maybe it's just, maybe you do. In any case, there's 10 of Pentacles here in the upright. So, somebody gets their happiness, fulfillment, financially anyway. Let's see, what else can we do for you? Let's do some romance angels and see what comes up for you for this. You may not be someone that likes to express. I'm feeling you are the King of Swords, and you're very methodical, and you think things through, and possibly, maybe you have a friend that gets in the way of this new beginning. You could have two people. You could have maybe here, you have a friend, and then you have two other people. One is your soulmate, and you're going to make a judgment call. Yeah, you need to know about some truth here. Somebody left you out in the cold in this union. There was a sexual union here. Yeah, you just have to be patient and reflect about what you're looking for in your life. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. So maybe your friend's going to help you win this Empress. Or maybe the Empress is a friend of your friend. Engagement. Oh my. Wow, that's why it was a past life relationship. You've known each other before, so that could be why. Wow, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So, and you've known each other before, so there might be a major pull here that you're going to feel towards this Empress or one of the people you have here. Passion. Ooh la la. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Trust. The situation is calling you to have faith. Okay? What else? For Aries. Reconciliation. Oh, so this might be somebody you reconcile with. Someone from your past is returning to your life. So it might be somebody you met in your past. They end up getting engaged to. Or it could be your friends getting engaged when you meet this person. You know your story. We also have heart-to-heart conversations here. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So Aries, maybe you were planning to reconcile with somebody. And maybe there's you're wanting to be engaged to this person. It could have been a friend that you knew from childhood, or it could be somebody you knew from somewhere else. Yeah, it's a soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. So, so your soulmate's coming in. Oh, wedding. Wow. So your friends help you to get engaged to this person you knew from your past life. Okay? There's a lot of passion. There's trust here. And it is somebody that it could be somebody from your past is returning into your life, okay? And you can have that heart-to-heart conversation with them. I feel like this is somebody you may have known, but just as a friend or an acquaintance, maybe. You didn't really know them, or you knew of them, maybe. I like this for you. You're going to figure this out. And you're going to know. And you're going to find this person. What was on the bottom of the deck there? Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you were guided to take. Didn't I say this was divinely guided? Wow. Worth waiting for. Divine timing. See? Be patient. It's divine timing, and it's worth the steps you're guided to take. So the Spirit is guiding you to this person, whether, and you're going to know that this is your person because you're going to feel that pull to them with this past life relationship, like you've known them all your life. Like you, almost like you're going to be like, where have you been all my life? Kind of feeling, right? Like you already know them. Okay? So, and there's going to be a major passion here. You guys are going to feel energy between the two of you pulling you. Okay? Wedding. Well, congratulations, Aries. Be sure to send me a picture of the ring. Okay. All right. Well, that's all I have for you, Aries. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, later.